do another wheel cleaning video on my GT350 with the GT350R replica wheels because it'll show the dirt and the brake dust a little bit more. Also, just want to show you guys, if you haven't seen it on my other social media, this is the preliminary packaging of my wheel cleaner. As you guys can see, the label's already designed. These are going to be 32-ounce bottle concentrates, and this is the color we're after. This is just a sample that we're testing right now, but for the most part, this is what it's going to pretty much look like for you guys. And then we're going to pair this with the foaming sprayers as a package. And also, we're going to offer the wheel woolly kits as well. Everything's going to be on my web store very soon, so stick around and stay tuned. So I'm going to do another wheel demonstration video for you. I'm going to pull the camera off the tripod and I'm going to show you guys. This is about 500 plus miles of driving with the big Brembo brakes. So you guys can see inside the barrel, all on the face of the rim. So it's pretty heavily loaded with inside by the lugs, the lug barrels. Okay, as you see there. Okay. Now, the last wheel cleaning video I posted, the abundance of stupidity in the comment section of, hey, I haven't cleaned my wheels in 10 years, or B, I'll use hydrochloric acid directly on my wheels when they're hot. I mean, like, it's unbelievable why some people out there watch detailing videos if they abuse their cars. That's not my audience. That's not who I'm catering to. I'm catering to real car enthusiasts. If you're a car enthusiast, this is going to bother you, and you're not going to let your car go for weeks or months without cleaning it, okay? There are several different types of car guys. Guys like me that love cars, that are passionate about it, and that are really anal about keeping their cars clean and protecting their investments. Then there's guys that just don't care. And that's it. That's, you know, not saying it's right or wrong, but I'm just trying to prove a point because it doesn't make any sense, some of the comments that I start hearing on this stuff, because I'm trying to create a product that's safer to use. It's not going to burn your skin. It's not going to be inhaled and cause an issue. It's not going to ruin your driveway. It's not going to cause premature corrosion of your brake hardware and cause brake squealing. All of these things that I am addressing with my product, and it's very successful. And that's why I'm going to keep posting these demonstrations until the product is officially launched, and then it's going to be out there in the public, and you guys are going to test it, and you're going to see for yourselves, man, as far as the stuff that you're using. The stuff works great, doesn't have a smell, it's going to be cost effective, looks great, works great, and everything in between. So the wheel is dry. I'm going to foam it up, power wash it off, and then I'm going to stick my hand in a barrel. I'm going to show you guys how well it did. All right, guys, let's get this sucker foamed up. Like I said, I'm not wearing gloves, no respirator, none of that good stuff, because this stuff is safe. And that's why having the wand makes a lot of sense. So I'm going to get all the way in there. Get the tire. Okay. So you guys could see it's eating up the brake dust. You see that inside the barrel? Instantly. It's eating up the brake dust everywhere. So we're going to rinse this off in about a minute with the Kranza 1322, which is a low PSI electric power washer. And you guys could just see. Okay. And the wheel cleaning solution from testing appears to work best when the rim is dry and cool to the touch. I've noticed that when you pre-rinse it, it sort of dilutes the concentration. Right now, this is 4 ounces to 1 gallon of water, standard solution, just for a maintenance upkeep. And I could already see it inside the barrel. It totally got everything out. So let's get the power washer and finish this up. I'm going to move the camera back to protect the spray. That's it, guys. So let me just get my hand inside here. Okay, see that? Camera's not gonna lie. That's my hand in the barrel with no scrubbing. Okay, no wheel woolies, no wheel brushes that you had to go in there, because you can't really do it. And that's another problem with a lot of cars today that have big brakes. You can't get the brushes because of the Brembo caliper and the tolerance between the barrel and the rim. That's why a lot of guys want to use these touchless wheel cleaners, but they're very caustic, and that's the issue. You want to get something that's safe, that's not going to kill you, the environment, your brake caliper hardware, and everything in between, because a lot of that acid stuff eventually will etch the surface of the finish. And if you have anodized brake calipers, be forewarned, do not use that stuff. So I'm going to get the camera closer too. You guys can also see inside the barrels where the lugs go. They're perfectly clean. See my hand? Perfectly clean. So this is just another quick demo for you guys. This is it, guys, the autofanatic wheel cleaning foam concentrate. It's coming real soon. Stay tuned. Questions, comments, post them below. See you guys soon. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Take care.